Let go of my hand! Let go of my hand! Stop!
It's late at night in the tourist hub of Daytona Beach, Florida. 27-year-old tourist David Anderson and his brother are casually walking down the street. In David's hand is an open glass bottle of tequila. It seems like a normal vacation night, but there's a catch. Florida has strict open container laws. Walking around with unsealed alcohol in public is a misdemeanor offense. Just a few blocks away, Officer Joel Llinas is patrolling the area. The police department is on high alert due to recent noise complaints from locals. Officer Llinas is on edge. And as we'll find out later, this officer already has a history of disciplinary issues regarding anger management. The police cruiser slowly turns the corner. In the headlights, Officer Llinas spots the two men. His eyes lock onto Anderson's bright purple t-shirt and the glint of the glass bottle in his hand. For the cop, it's a standard reason to make a stop. Officer Llinas decides to intervene. He parks his cruiser, steps out, and walks directly toward the tourists. Neither of them knows that the next few minutes will completely change their lives. Officer Llinas closes the distance, reaches up to his chest, and hits the record button. The footage starts rolling.
Nope, you're gonna go to jail for open container. Pour it out or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options.
Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right. Brother, stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop.
Street Central, give us the channel. Step back.
Stop.
Yo,
Put your hands behind your back.
hey, stop playing, bro.
Stop.
What are y'all arresting?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey,
Y'all need to stop. Put your hands behind your back, man. I'm gonna tase out of you.
What did you tase me for?
hey, step back.
Put your hands behind your
Hey,
back.
he got it. Hey, chill out.
Get back.
Stop. Chill out.
Get back.
Stop. Give me his
Get
arm.
back.
That's my twin.
Hey,
Get back. Get
Stop. Get back.
Please stop. You got
All right, come on, do your business. Do your business. Do your business. Do your business. Do your business.
Bat Leo taking 110-12.
Get back.
All right, what else? Come on. What else? That is crazy, bro.
Hey, if you come over here, you're gonna go to jail.
Bro, stop talking
Chill
to
out.
him. I'm right here. Stop talking to him. I'm right here. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah.
You like being on my back or what? You like being on my back or what? You like being on my back or what? Yeah, I'm complying. What are we doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
I can, if you let me. If you let me, smart guy. Dumbass. Stupid ass. Oh, he's trying to be top. He's trying to be top. Weak ass guy. Get off my back, man. What are we doing?
Yeah.
You don't even know what you're
You
doing.
did. You poured that bottle out and just dropped it. Dumbass.
Get back against the hood right there.
Stop. Stop it.
What are you doing?
I'm on the corner.
You're under arrest.
Bro, yo.
For battery on law
You still
enforcement.
twisting your arm?
Battery?
Yep. When you do that cork at me.
What?
When I threw the cork at
You
you,
throwing stuff at people?
I'm gonna search you.
Yep.
I'm gonna took you out, didn't I?
I don't care.
Almost took you out, didn't I?
Yo, stop, bro. Stop.
Let go. He not over there fighting you. Stop. 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 That's my twin. Stop.
I almost took you out, didn't I?
Stop. Cut it the out.
I almost took you out.
Stop.
You're weak. Stop. You're weak. You're weak. You're weak.
He hit him. Why the is he hitting him?
Chill out.
Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. Stop. 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 He hit my brother. Stop. Stop right now. Why are you hitting him? Why are you hitting him? Stop. Put it out. Put it out.
Why are you hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him?
Cut it out.
Why? What's going on, man? The off of me.
Get off my
Stop.
neck! Get off my
I'm
neck!
not on your neck, I'm on your head.
Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head!
Cut it
Get
out.
off my head! Get off my head!
Not until you stop.
My head! Get off my head! Get off! Hey, get the off of me!
Cut it out.
Get off! Get off! Get off! Hey, you don't know what your is doing, man! Get the off of me! Let's put him in the car. Right, you don't know what you're doing! Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Get up.
Stand up, stand up.
Get up.
You're not helping. Bro, use your feet. No, wait. Hey, use your feet, use your feet.
That's fine.
Get in the car. Hey, stop. Get in the
Hold on. Get in the car. I'm gonna take the neck. I am complying. Get in the car. I am complying. Get in the car.
I am complying, you bitch. I'm complying.
What are you doing?
The cameras are off. A battered David Anderson is sitting in a holding cell facing severe felony charges, resisting arrest with violence and battery on a law enforcement officer. In Florida, those charges carry serious prison time. It looks like an open and shut case. The cops' word against the suspects. But then, the internet steps in. Bystander footage, shot from a different angle, appears on social media. The video shows an officer using physical force on a man who is already in handcuffs. The clip spreads quickly across the internet and reaches millions of views in just a few hours. Public outrage reaches a boiling point. The pressure is so intense that Daytona Beach Mayor Derek Henry is forced to break his silence, publicly calling the footage deeply troubling. The police department is in full damage control mode. Chief of Police Jakari Young calls an emergency press conference. He states, "We expect our officers to use de-escalation tactics. The clip circulating online is concerning." Chief Young immediately strips Officer Llinas of his badge, placing him on administrative assignment pending a full investigation. Meanwhile, investigative journalists dig into Officer Llinas' personnel file and uncover a massive red flag. Just months prior, in November 2025, Llinas was suspended for aggressive behavior. Sensing a massive civil rights lawsuit, Anderson brings in the heavy artillery, high-profile civil rights attorney Ben Crump. Fast forward to just a month later. The plot twist nobody saw coming. The state attorney's office makes an official announcement. All major criminal charges against the tourist are completely dropped. No battery on an officer, no resisting arrest. The prosecutor's reasoning is a massive wake-up call to the police department. They concluded that the rough arrest on the asphalt was already sufficient punishment for him. David Anderson walks away a free man, slapped with nothing but a minor fine for the open container. Officer Llinas, however, is now under intense internal investigation, and his career is hanging by a thread. But what do you think? Was the officer justified in defending himself after having a cork thrown at him, or was this a textbook case of police brutality? Let me know your verdict in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more breakdowns.